Oh, it's time to change up the tank. I have a different feature that I had in stock in the office, so I am going to eliminate this tree cave looking thing here. Right now we have our orange guy, Dalmatian Molly looking guy, and we have our long sucker fish. That's, where is he? Bugger's moving around. And he ran away. Suckerfish guy. We're gonna change out this tree. We're gonna go with this. We had this in the office, picked up a while ago. And then I'm gonna see if we can add a few more of these tall ones, strategically tall plants. I don't know, I'm not a, but we also have some new kids in here, so we need to float them ASAP. I'm gonna do a slight water change, take that out, swap out some things, and we'll be back to see how it looks. Finished product. We had to get this done quick because we had to float the new fishes. So there they are. We got the OG fish, Moo, his cousin Orange. Sucker fish back there is still in play. That's my cleaner fish. He's in the local 996. Okay, y'all tweaking right now. You guys gotta stay still. And here's his friend. Those guys. Believe it or not, some nights I come home from work 2 o'clock in the morning and I just sit here and just look at the fish. They look at me like, can you just turn that light off? Yeah, they're interesting though, it's relaxing. Sometimes it can be a pain in the ass to take care of a tank, but like any other animal, they provide you with peace. You gotta take care of them. I like it. Aloha everybody.